Hello guys again and welcome back to another assembly video, and today we've got this Helmer from Ikea office drawers. We are going to assemble it together one by one, the steps, and you're gonna find out without the manual how to assemble it. Well, let's open it. We've got the manual of course, and let's take everything out. So many things for assembly. Now we need first these two side pieces, and we are going to use first these ones that they've got two holes here, that and that. It will go here and it will slide inside and it will lock. Same and for all the others. And another one, it goes here. And the same will go and at this side, another 6. And you need to press, of course, and it will lock. And the last down here. And there you have it, side by side. Now let's turn it around. And from this side, it will go this metal. Slide it inside. And it will lock. There are two of these. Now take this piece, lift it up and slide the other one inside. And lock. And next we've got the back panel. This side it will go down here. And then we are going to bend these two metals inside here. Okay. And same up here. We've got another two metals here and here. We're going to bend it and put it inside here at the gap. And from this side, take a screwdriver and you can bend this metal inside all the way in. Just press it and it will lock inside. Same and from the other side. Here, press it inside. And if you want, you can take in this pointy tool, just have it a good press inside, both sides, not moving anywhere. Same thing we need to do inside here, at this gap. Pointed screwdriver, bend it both sides. Nice. And next, the upper is that we need to fit in this position these two metals. and we need to lock it. Inside here you need to bend another metal and it will fit perfectly. Same and from the upper side. Here bend the metal inside. And now this is a secure, it's not going anywhere. That was inside here. It is for the upper side of these drawers to have it more secure. And I think now it's time for the drawers, one by one. Back and front. We need the screws, of course. Wheels for the handles, stickers. And we need to bend it from this side because that side it will go to these lines of the drawer. Take your time, don't be so hurry. Next I'm going to install this. It will go at the front in these two gaps inside, one and one this, it will go that. There it is. And then you can bend it with a screwdriver. Nice. Then we will take this and we will slide it inside here perfectly, and we are going to bend this for here for each side, and they will fit perfectly. Then just press it more. And there we are, we've got the first drawer ready, but we've got another thing, the handle, that will go here with these two screws. Nice. And now it's finished. And we need to do another 6 times this. And that wasn't the last one. Now let's install the wheels. now 1, 2, 3, 4 screws we need to install in here to be more steady all the construction. Nice. Let's install one by one the drawers. Now at each drawer we've got this metal, just bend it a slide to have a stop inside. Now as it is inside, just bend it with a screwdriver, with something. And now it will stop and not go further out. And the same you need to do for each drawer. Well guys, that was the installation, the assembly of this HELMER office drawer. It was an easy process. You have seen how you can do it, and I'll just follow my steps at my video and you will find it very helpful. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.